Okay, you know, and I said this in the beginning. I just, as I said, have not emphasized it throughout. That just because the professional money is in there does not mean that the professional money is going to be dead on. The professional money, if they are wrong, they are out. They are gone, baby. They are not going to stick around like the retail trader and try and make their money back. The only thing that they are going to try and do is now this of course varies depending on who you're talking about, what the firm is, what their rules of engagement are, but in general, if they get into the market in this area, they're buying from weak sellers, and then the market declines down here, what they're going to try and do is force the market up so that the buyers then come in. You have all this retail money just pouring into the market, buyers, 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 and they are going to be sellers, sellers, sellers. And they're going to exit the market, and then the market can go down. So this retest is finding more selling. How do we know? Because price is going down and volume is coming up. It's not rocket science. Now, one thing we have to be aware of is overall, price has not broken this low, and volume has remained consistent. That's our context. We have to get back, ground ourselves in reality. Overall, price still has not made a new low. Volume is staying constant. So what we have found are some areas of selling. There are still some sellers down here, but overall, we're not seeing, you see here how price has come down? We're not seeing volume come down. It's just staying constant. So we'll go one more day. Whoops, that was 2 days. One more day. This is the 29th. Now, here's where you see the end of the test. Now, what I want you to look at is the comparison here of look at this volume area. You see how it stays higher for longer than this area here? You see how here we have the volume spikes, but then it drops off. Then volume spikes again, and then it drops off. Volume spikes again, drops off. Spikes again, drops off. Here, volume is just staying constant as price is coming down. That's what we want to see on the low. Sustained volume. Now, arguably, you could say that happened over here, and that's fine. Remember, this, we're talking about, judging what the market is doing. Not, nothing. Let me say it this way: nothing in the market is precise. Nothing is. I don't care what you're looking at. You're not going to have precision. But I can look and see, okay, well now the market is definitely moving down here, but what happened over here? Well, the market really just moved sideways, didn't it? But this is obviously moving down. Sideways, down. Now, why do I say it was sideways? Well, because here at the beginning you have a low. Here at the end you have a slightly lower low. But here, you've got a much lower low. And actually, if you go to the beginning of it, it's up here. Here to here. This time, here to here. Sustained volume, price is moving down, then eventually price moves up. Now, again, let's say at this point, what am I trying to say here? At this point, we're still just evaluating the market. Now, right here, we could say, in hindsight, well, yeah, there's buying there. And we say that there's buying because price went up. Okay, fine.